All right, let's look at the homework 16.5, problem number 6. All right, so let's try to see if this vector field is conservative. All right, so to do that, we just have to look at the curl of it and to see if it's equal to 0. All right, so let's take the curl of this vector field f. All right, so this is going to be, all right, so this is curl, so you have, here is I and j and k. All right, and we have a partial with respect to x and a partial with respect to y and partial with respect to z. All right, then first component is x, y, z squared. Second component is x to the ninth y, z squared. And then you have x to the ninth y squared z. All right, so this is going to be, all right, so first component. All right, hide this, and the partial of this guy with respect to y would be 2 x to the ninth is just a number, and y and z minus partial of this guy with respect to z would be 2 x to the ninth and y z. Right? This is looking good. That's going to be 0, right? All right, so the second component is the negative of, all right, then partial of this guy with respect to x. So this is going to be a 9x to the 8th y squared z minus, right, partial of this guy, oops, this guy with respect to z. So you have, it's going to be 2 xy z. All right, and you can see that here we have a non-zero component already. So I'm going to actually skip the rest of the work because I already know that this is not a zero vector. All right, so which means that this is not conservative. So if it's not conservative, we're going to put that does not exist. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so we should get, all right, does not exist. All right, let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, so since the curl of this vector field is not a zero vector, so we know that the vector field f is not conservative, which means that it does not have a potential function. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.